Imagine a workplace where every voice matters and every effort feels meaningful. Transformational leadership is all about unlocking the full potential of your team by leading with heart and vision. It's not just about managing tasks, but about bringing people together, valuing everyone's unique strengths and perspectives. Great leaders inspire their teams by connecting daily work to a bigger mission, so every task, no matter how small, feels important. They focus on process, not just speed, encouraging thoughtful collaboration and open communication. When everyone understands their role and feels truly valued, the whole team rises. Transformational leaders create an environment where people grow, innovate, and support each other. The result? Teams that don't just reach their goals, they redefine what's possible. Ready to lead the transformation? Start by fostering true collaboration and watch your team soar.